Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. Now the topic is India's first glass museum coming up in Firozabad. Beyond bangles, what awaits inside? So India's first glass museum is being built in Firozabad, Uttar Pradesh, a city famous for glass bangles, which is Chudiyan. And the goal is to show that Firozabad is more than just bangles. It's about history, skill, technology and jobs. Let us talk about the key dimensions. The first dimension is cultural and heritage dimension. Alright, so Firozabad is known as Chudiyon ka Shehar, and the museum will show history of glass from Harappa to modern India, traditional crafts plus modern design, preserves intangible cultural heritage. Now the second dimension is educational dimension. Now education and technological dimension. Museum uses digital storyline, AR, VR experiences, live glass bowling demos, and students can see how glass is melted, shaped and finished. Learning becomes experiential, not boring textbooks. Third is the economic and employment dimension. Now around 50,000 families, I want to repeat this, 50,000 families depend on this glass industry, and museum supports local artisans, design innovation, skill upgradation, helps traditional industries survive in modern markets. The fourth is the tourism and urban development. So that is the fourth dimension. Museum linked with Braj circuit tourism includes auditorium, workshops, cafeteria, souvenir shops, boosts cultural tourism and city branding also. Fifth dimension is identifying an urban renewal. So urban renewal is the fifth dimension. Moves Firozabad identity from only manufacturing to cultural plus creativity. Helps redefine its urban identity. Example of cultural-led development is being seen here. Sixth is inclusive growth dimension. Now, when we talk about inclusive growth, we focus on artisans and local skills and community participation, growth without displacement. So the one line takeaway from this news is that the glass museum turns Firozabad's craft into culture, education, tourism and jobs, and all together it is a very important development that has been happening. Now let us talk about coming up on over 25,700 square kilometers of land. Source says the museum is being developed in such a way that it would showcase the evolution of glass from ancient civilizations like Harappa to the modern day contribution of Firozabad. Alright, now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this news. So this is highly relevant to GS paper 1, which is Indian culture and heritage. Then GS paper 2, a role of government in cultural promotion, tourism policy. Then GS paper 3 also it becomes important, MSME and traditional industries, employment generation. And for essay paper also, this news becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.